Construct a triangle with sides BC is equal to 6 cm, AB is equal to 5 cm, and angle between ABC is equal to 60 degree. Then we will construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 in ratio of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. Or draw a circle of radius 3.5 cm. Take a point outside the circle at the distance of 7 meter from the center and from the center of the circle and construct a pair of tangents to the circle from that point. We will use the diagram shown below in order to solve the first question. As we are given the dimensions of AB, AC and angle B, we will find the dimensions A dash B, B dash C and A dash C dash using the ratio provided to us. Then we will draw the line, that is AB and BC, and use the angle B among them, and then we will further use this ratio and mark the points from the values that we have calculated. And after calculating all these values, we will join the triangle in order to get the triangle which is in the 3 by 4th ratio of the original triangle. Now in order to solve the second question, first of all we will make a circle using the diameter which is provided to us, that is 3.5 centimeter, which is the radius. Actually diameter will be 7 centimeter. Now we will plot a point which is outside the circle 7 centimeter from the center of the circle, that is line, that is the point O and P. This is the point P, and we will join them using a line segment OP. After we have created this, we will bisect the OP line segment and find the midpoint. Using this midpoint, we will create a circle, and the point at which the new circle will intersect the old circle will be used to join the tangents from P to Q and P to R. Therefore, we will found the two new tangents to our circle.